What am I saying? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Woo! Guys, I have not been here in a good freaking minute. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing a product, and we're going to review a palette that came out a long time ago, and that's, yes, the Jeffree Star palette.
Hi, how are ya?
I got this palette, as you can see. This is the iconic purple mirror. I even got the iconic it's the straw from Jeffree Star. I got the straw collection right here, but obviously I use it, so it's a little jinx. Today we are going to be reviewing this beautiful palette. First, I want to go over the outside, the inside, put it on my face, and as you know, I've been doing fishy Fridays on my Instagram, and today we're going to turn into a Royal Gamma, which is a fish that was in the dentist tank and Finding Nemo, and I believe his name, I gotta look it up. His name is Gurgle, and he is this cute little fish. You see how cute he is? He's super cute. Yeah. So we're gonna turn into Gurgle from Finding Nemo with this palette. Gurgle from Finding Nemo is actually called Royal Gamma, and it looks like this. It actually is a little bit more pink, it seems like, but whatever. We're gonna turn into the version that was on Finding Nemo. You might also hear my dog panting. Oh, he stopped panting when I said that. What the hell? Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I need to just cut it out. Cut it out. Okay, let's review the palette. I know it's been a minute. Everyone's already seen it, so I'm not gonna go that deep into how beautiful it looks, but as you can see, it is amazing. It is a queen bee. There is this monogram in the front. Now when you open it, there is the mirror, there's the colors. I'll take this off for you guys. Ooh, yes. And I already know that you guys have seen this. If you are a Jeffree Star fan, you've probably seen these colors pop up on his feed, and it's been a minute, but I love everything on it. The High King has a little, like, you know, I don't know, a wand situation, and I feel like that's super pretty. Don't mind my nails because, girl, we're in quarantine, so. One more thing, actually. I got the Extreme Frost. This is amazing. It says, tune your face with just one swipe, rich decadence, drenched in glitz, and it has that in the back right here. When you open it, first of all, it has the monogram, and then when you open it, ta-da, oh, well, okay. Stay in there. It's just like, this packaging is just everything, right? Like, make it like a fucking Gucci, like, thing that the watches come in. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's just go with it. Okay, I'm gonna put the primer on my face. You guys, I also wore a wig for you guys because, you know, I wanted to make my comeback more formal. I even wore this poofy thing. I tried really hard. So if you made it this far, please like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Go in with the Tart Shape Tape. It's a hydrating primer. You really need to use like a dot. You don't really need to use a lot. A little goes a long way. Like for that, perhaps. Then I'm gonna go with Kosas. This is the Revealer Concealer. And you guys, this does not crease at all, and I fucking am in love. Ooh, look at this, another Jeffree Star moment. That's what that is. I'm gonna open up this beauty. Oh my god, let's dip into it. Okay, wow, I don't even know. I'm gonna go in with Deviant. Oh my god, the color is beautiful. Oh my god, do you see that? Do like a purple kind of gradation. Make it darker to yellow. So I hope this goes well because I don't really put dark colors like in the beginning of my eye. Oh wow, that goes on so fucking velvety. Already looks freaking blended. Okay, girl. There isn't fallout on my face. Now let's test out the glitters because I don't know which glitter I want to put on. So there's Pink Magic. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. So this is Pink Magic. There is Wet Jewel, which is like a more pinky color. This one is Pink Magic, which is like a pink, kind of a darker pink. We're doing Gurgle, so we want to be a purple bitch today. This is kind of like how I do a little bit of glitter without doing too much work. Because sometimes, you know, people will cut crease and all that. And I'm like, girl, we ain't got time for that today, okay? That glitter blended in so well. Okay, I will give you guys a look at that. Spray some Versali on the brush or on my hand. And just take the pigment and then put it on directly. Put on eyeliner and just draw the liner on. So I'm gonna lay down a little bit of this Sen Organics foundation. I will do my foundation in a bit, but this is literally a vegan foundation. It's one of my favorite foundations that I found recently while I was off YouTube. I'm gonna go in with Executioner. It's very sparkly black. You guys, it's like a fucking starry night up in this bitch. Okay, I see you, bitch. Wow. Okay, so because Gamma has those dots, I'm gonna go in with Suva Beauty. You can use the Versali spray, or you can use, this is another Versali spray bottle that I kept, and I just put water in it so I can use it as a spray. You just spray it in, and you use a small brush, and it kind of turns into like paint. Little purple moment, and I'm gonna use Suva Beauty Purple. And you can kind of see just a little bit, but I wanted it for the texture because that's what Gustav, what's his name? All right, I feel like this eye is like pretty done, so I'm gonna go and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back. I did the other eye. Doom, doom. Yes. So now I am going to do my foundation. I talked about Sen Organics. You have to kind of shake it up. And I love this foundation. I showed it earlier. But little goes a long way. And I literally have so many foundations because I'm a foundations whore. But this is the one I use every day. It is clean beauty and it does not break out your skin, which I really like. Literally, it was like a half a pump, and I've already covered all of my face. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Okay, and I'm gonna go with a little bit of Blood Moon, which is a little bit of a more pigmented color. Now we're gonna get into this. This is the highlighter, and this is in color Choking on Ice. So let's choke. So excited to be choked. That's not true. Okay, that's R-rated. Oh my, I'm at a loss for words, like seriously. Oh my god, this is so glittery. Wow. It's like glitter, and then when you blend it in, it turns into like a highlight. All right, now for the finale. Are you ready? Ta-da! This is a Jeffree Star Mini Velour. This includes all these colors, and I'm just so excited to play with this Star Crown, babe. And this is called I'm Royalty. So this is my finished look. I feel like I would totally recommend Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I have been a fan of his, so obviously I feel like you kind of knew that I was gonna recommend him, but I do think that the makeup is flawless. All right, you guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like that I'm back on YouTube. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel if you like this content. Let me know what other things you want to see in the comments below. Follow me on my social media at _HeySalty, like hey, H-A-Y, yes, Salty. And don't forget to come on to my Twitch stream. All my links are below, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye. I haven't said that in a while.